What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Moshi's Ultra Case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The Moshi Ultra Case is a new model they introduced for the new iPhone XS and XS Max. It's very similar to the Moshi Vesta case I reviewed last year, with a different textured back and of course a new lanyard feature. So lanyards aren't the most popular thing for iPhone cases, but you can definitely see the added benefits of having one, and it's kind of cool to also see that Moshi can design a case with a lanyard that complements each other in terms of the design and look. So the new Ultra case is a hybrid style case. You have a polycarbonate shell, a TPU bezeled border, and this silicone textured back here, which really adds a nice aesthetic flair to the case. Very simple case to install. As you go button side first, pops in place like so, and you're set to go. So first off, taking a quick overview of this case, you have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone and lipping just above the glass screen. On the sides, you have covers for the power button, volume rockers, and you still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them so they feel like actual buttons, and a generous cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom of the case, you have 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning ports. And finally on the back here we have the most highlighted feature, and that is the silicone texture design. The textured triangles have a bit of a rubberized feel to them, so they give you a bit of grip when you hold the case. There's of course a precise cutout for your dual camera and flash, and this other unique feature to this case is the strap here to attach the lanyard to. You can tell the strap here is held very securely in place thanks to this Moshi branded stainless steel rivet. And the lanyard itself is pretty nicely designed too to kind of match that textured look of the case. It's very easy to attach. You just press down on the keyhole here and it should just slide into place. So what exactly does a lanyard do? Well, usually when you drop a case, it slips out of your hand, whether you're taking it out of your pocket or you accidentally grip it in an awkward position. So with the lanyard attached to your wrist, basically if a phone slips out of your hand, it's not going to fall against the ground because it has another spot to catch it, which of course is your wrist. I won't negate the fact that the lanyard kind of feels weird because it's not something that you normally have with your phone. But if you're the type of person who has your phone in your hand more than it's in your pocket, then a lanyard is a pretty nice additional accessory. One thing I do wish Moshi included with the strap part here is some sort of clip that can actually tighten the strap a little bit so that in case your phone does slip out of your hand, the lanyard does have a large opening so it could slip off your wrist. Overall guys, I'm pretty impressed with Moshi's new Ultra case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. It's very similar to one of my most favorite cases for the iPhone X last year, the Vesta case. The only difference really is that it has a different backing and the included lanyard accessory. Moshi does offer a few different texture designs on the back here, so if you're not a fan of this triangle one, there are a couple others you can choose from. And for those of you wondering, this case is wireless charging compatible. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I can mention is that this lanyard piece here, the orange part that sticks out, even though you can take the lanyard off, for those of you who like to use Apple's own Lightning dock or other types of docks, this part could get in the way of using them. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a unique, protective, and stylish looking case with a built-in lanyard on it, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi Ultra case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as it always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.